Hey,
Hi. So, we went to
KFC.
KFC. So, this is a after church mukbang. So, we was at church today. My ash is faded, but so we got the $5 fill up, and my daughter got hers in the original, no, in crispy. She got some wedges. She always wants some kind of a dipping sauce, so we got honey barbecue dipping sauce.
Barbecue dipping sauce.
Of course, the $5 fill up comes along with a cookie, so she has that.
And for our biscuits, we got grape jelly.
I'm not the biggest fan of KFC's biscuits. I ain't even gonna hold you. Me, I'm Popeyes all the way.
Church's chicken. They good.
So, I just got original thigh and leg. Got me a biscuit. They actually messed up. Me and my daughter was supposed to both have wedges, but they gave me mashed potatoes and gravy. So I'm not gonna complain. Let's see. You know what's so crazy to me though? I don't put that in. Is that when I watch some of the mukbangs, I noticed that they have gravy that people eat with chicken. That's so out of my element. I'm raised up on hot sauce or maybe even ketchup. What was this drink called?
She got the Baja Blast.
I'm not even gonna try to tip it over, but it's this pretty green color. So let me see something. This is what our food looks like. My drink, Gianna got a
I got a Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper is my favorite soda.
So no, she's gonna make the camera full. One of our good old traditions that I was raised up on is every Sunday, like, we would eat fried chicken. Like, if you ain't eat it no other time, Sundays was designated to eat soul food. Fried chicken, with collard greens, and all that good stuff. Now, I normally cook, which I am still going to cook dinner. We didn't eat any breakfast, and this is lunch. But I do plan on cooking dinner for tonight. But we had to put something on our stomach, so. Oh, you started eating already. You like it?
Yeah.
I see people dipping their chicken into the gravy. I'm like, I don't know about that. But I'm gonna try it right now. Maybe I've been missing something in all these years.
No, I don't think.
Man, maybe it's just, I don't know. Yeah, the potatoes are good. KFC is pretty consistent with their stuff for the most part. Ouch.
We was so hungry. Staying in our church clothes.
Guess I'll try a piece of this biscuit.
Want some jelly?
Yeah, I'll take some.
I hope everybody's weekend was good.
She went to her grandma's house. If we can. My oldest son, he went to this retreat. And my youngest son, he stayed home, hung out with mom and dad. So he didn't do too much. And I went to the market. Sit down. Picked up a few grocery items. Washed some clothes. I'm not even gonna hold you. Sometimes KFC chicken tastes salty. Kind of tastes a little salty.
You and Jesse gotta do a mukbang. Y'all probably don't recognize me. I don't have my glasses on. So if y'all see me squinting,
I don't think you be wearing your glasses a lot of times. Really? Maybe I
I
ain't never
wear
paid
my
attention.
glasses.
I'm talking about in another video.
I do. Y'all can, they can see probably like halfway down.
How many of y'all like the skin of the chicken? The skin is like the best. Let me get one of these budgets.
I'm probably not going to eat dinner.
Sometimes that happens when we go to eat lunch. Especially now, because I think it's, what time is it? Like 2:40. It kind of throws our day off, like eating a late lunch.
They did not cook this.
think it's alright. She's particular about her food and how it looks. But I don't blame you. You like what you like. You want it to look a certain way. They say you eat with your eyes first. The presentation and how it looks and all that stuff.
That don't matter because some things may look nasty, but I'll still eat it.
Like what?
I tried
Chitlins.
Chitlins, real good. I know when I first tried them when I was younger, I thought it was kind of weird because we never really ate them on a regular.
You still don't.
Yeah.
They special occasion kind of like foods.
Yeah, when we have a family gathering, that's what they always have.
My father was the type that he'd really try to encourage you to try a variety of different foods and stuff.
Like soft crabs.
That's not a weird food. I'm talking about like alligator, frog legs, rabbit.
I ate a duck before, cause my I'm not talking about my mom parents, my dad parents. He likes to travel. Their side, on my dad's side, they like travel a lot. My grandparents, but I still get to see him all the time, and basically. He just brings a lot of things back home for us to try. Like he went to Bahrain. That's somewhere in China.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah. And it's called tapioca. It was like
we had tapioca here.
And Jayana ain't tried it.
You haven't tried it, don't mean you don't.
It tastes like Orbeez. Did you ever see Orbeez? Ooh, when I tell you the feeling of it,
we had that in our regular markets. Our household just don't eat it. We're not like,
but it's like a drink. We got a mango one, and it's still the juice is good, but it's just like
you had bubble tea and stuff before.
I didn't have. I don't think I had
the drink with the little, yeah.
But I seen it before. I seen people drink it. But I don't like the feeling of it, and I don't like the way how it tastes that much.
Well, I think that ain't for everybody. So.
Well, I guess that's the end
of
of it.
As always, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking this video. Feel free to comment. I try to make it a point to respond back to most people. I'm still going to be doing a question and answering. Still got something coming. Again, like I said, when I get to that 1,000, then we want to make some moves. So,
and y'all should comment down some challenges for us to do.
Somebody else told us that we should do that, and somebody said we should do some pranks. That's gonna be funny. That's gonna be interesting. But I'm with it.
I think pranks, because I wouldn't try to pull a prank on my mom because she don't take stuff serious, but like you can tell when she's just not feeling. You can't catch her after work.
Oh yeah, after work is not a good thing.
Or when
let me get rested. my line of work is mentally draining. It may not be, no, it is physically, but it's mentally draining. I be trying to get everybody to realize it.
Yeah, we can't catch you at the work. You just can't catch
It ain't gotta be on me. It could be on you. It could be on anybody else. So we'll see. We going to see, the challenges become a little difficult because my husband
but
he
it
don't like
only gotta be food. Like, we can do the pie face challenge, remember?
Oh yeah, we can do that.
But we should do a family one, because remember, Kayla, Robin,
Oh yeah.
and stuff.
Yeah, our family, we get together and be having game nights. We like, let me tell you, when we get, our family is so tight knit and it's so
competitive,
but it's all loving. But we get together, and when we get together, it's kind of like, it's so much fun. Like, we play all kinds of games.
Yeah.
We make fun out of.
Your mood really change. It can just be a bad day when you're not feeling it.
That we just, at any drop of a dime, we'll just play anything, and it's like various ages in our family, just like anybody else's family, and it's just like we enjoy each other's company. So
the next time we'll probably be having a gathering is like Easter. Easter is next month. We have Memorial Day, and
so maybe I could get some of them kind of clips of us.
We film a new game. What's that game called? Black?
I don't know, but I don't even want to talk about it. So, all right, see y'all next time. Thanks for tuning in.